Hello students, in this video you will learn about geometrical shapes. What are geometrical shapes? क्या होते हैं? They are formed when we join three or more line segments to form a closed figure. जब 3 या 3 से ज्यादा line segments को join किया जाता है एक साथ to form a closed figure, then such shapes are formed. Now these are of two types. One are plane shapes and other are solid shapes. Now let's talk about the plane shapes. What are plane shapes? These shapes can be drawn on a flat surface. इन shapes को हम flat surface पे बना सकते हैं. Like we can draw a rectangle. We can draw a rectangle on a plane surface, right? We can draw a square on a plane surface, right? We can also draw a circle. Okay, we can also draw a triangle, right? So these all shapes are plane shapes. These shapes are also known as 2D shapes. इन्हें हम 2D shapes भी बोलते हैं. 2D मतलब 2 dimensional. Why? What is the meaning of 2 dimensional? Having 2 dimensions means they are having only length and breadth. इनके पास क्या होती है? Length होती है और breadth होती है. That is why these shapes are also known as 2-dimensional shapes, or you can say 2D shapes. Okay, so the examples of plane shapes are square, rectangle, circle and triangle. These all are the examples of plane shapes. So these shapes can be drawn on a flat surface. इन shapes को हम flat surface पे बना सकते हैं. Like you draw on a paper. हम ये shapes paper पे draw करते हैं, right? I draw these shapes on a board, so I can draw it on the plane surface. So such shapes are known as plane shapes. Now let us learn about the properties of each shape one by one. Okay, so first we are going to talk about rectangle. Okay, this is a rectangle. Now it has 4 sides. What are sides? These are sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? क्या होती हैं? Sides होती हैं. So how many sides are there in rectangle? 1, 2, 3 and this one 4. So it has how many sides? It has 4 sides. इसकी कितनी sides होती हैं? 4 sides. Then it has how many corners? Corners क्या होते हैं? These are corners. These are corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are corners. Okay, so how many corners are there in rectangle? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides and 4 corners are there in rectangle. Corners are also known as vertices. Corners को क्या बोलते हैं? Vertices भी बोलते हैं. So if I ask you that how many vertices are there in rectangle, so how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many vertices are there? 4 vertices are there in rectangle. How many sides? 4 sides are there in rectangle. Now what are these 2 lines known as? इन 2 lines को क्या बोलते हैं? Right? So these 2 lines are known as diagonals. इन्हें क्या बोलते हैं? Diagonals बोलते हैं. So do you know what is a diagonal? Diagonal is a line that join the opposite vertices और opposite corners. Diagonal वो line होती है जो कि opposite vertices को या फिर हम बोल सकते हैं opposite corners को join करती है. And you can see which type of line it is. We have learned about types of lines. किस type की line है ये? Yes, this is a slanting line. This is a slanting line. So can you see how many diagonals are there in rectangle? One is this, 1 and other is this, 2. How many diagonals are there in rectangle? There are 2 diagonals in rectangle. Let's recall once again. How many sides? 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many sides? 4 sides. How many vertices or corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners, or you can say 4 vertices. And how many diagonals? 1 and 2. 2 diagonals are there in rectangle. Okay. And one more thing about rectangle is all sides are not equal. इसकी सारी sides equal नहीं होती हैं. The opposite sides, you can see these two sides are equal to each other and these two sides are equal to each other. तो इनकी जो rectangle है उसकी कौन सी sides equal होती हैं? Opposite sides are equal to each other. Okay. Now let's talk about another shape, that is a square. Let's talk about square now. Now first let's count the number of sides in the square. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides are there in the square? 4 sides. Then let's talk about its corners or vertices. कितने corners होते हैं, कितने vertices होते हैं? Can you see? 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many corners, or you can say how many vertices are there? 4 corners or 4 vertices are there in a square. Now what are these lines known as? These are the diagonals. इन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? Diagonals. Right. What is a diagonal? Diagonal is a line that join the opposite vertices or opposite corners, जो कि opposite vertices या फिर opposite corners को join करती है. Okay. So can you see how many diagonals are in the square? 1 and 2. How many diagonals? 2 diagonals are there in square. Okay. Now let's talk about next shape. This is a triangle. Let's count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3. How many sides are there in triangle? 3. कितनी sides in triangle में? 3. Now how many corners? 1, 2, 3. How many corners? 3 corners. Okay. So a triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners, or you can say 3 vertices also. Okay. Now let's talk about next figure. This is a circle. So circle has no side. ना तो circle की कोई side होती है and no corners, और ना ही circle के कोई corners होते हैं. It has only a center, a mid point जिसे हम बोलते हैं. Center होता है circle का. It has one center. So this was all about plane shapes. Okay. Now we will be talking about solid shapes. अब हम solid shapes के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. What are solid shapes? These shapes have length, width. Width means breadth and height. इनके पास 3 चीजें होती हैं. Length होती है, width होती है and height. And that is why these shapes are also called 3-dimensional shapes. Right? Or you can say 3D shapes also. Plane shapes were 2D shapes, whereas solid shapes are 3D shapes. Okay. Now some examples of 3D shapes are like pencil, this ball, birthday cap, and many more. Now let's talk about the first solid shape, that is a cube. Okay, let's count the number of faces. These are the faces. Okay, let's count the number of faces. 1, then at the bottom 2, then 3, at the back 4, right 5, and to the left 6. So how many faces does a cube has? It has 6 faces. Okay, and can you see what is the shape of each face? All the sides are equal and it is a 4-sided figure. What is the shape of each face? It is a square. इसके सारे faces कैसे होते हैं? Square shape के होते हैं. Okay. Okay. Next, let's talk about the vertices. Do you know what are vertices? The corners. जो corners होते हैं. Okay. Okay. 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are here and 5, 6, 7, 8. How many corners does a cube has? It has 8 corners, or you can say 8 vertices also. Okay, let's count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are here, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 are here. So 4 of 4 are 8 corners. Okay, so how many corners or how many vertices does a cube has? It has 8 corners or 8 vertices. Now let's talk about the edges. These are the edges. These lines are known as the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are here. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 4 are here. The vertical lines 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, let's count the edges once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now 5, 6, 7, 8. Now these vertical lines 9, 10, 11 and 12. So how many edges are there in a cube? There are 12 edges. How many faces? There are 6 faces. And how many vertices? 8 vertices. Okay. Now what is this? Yes, this is a duster. मैम यूज करती है ना इसे स्कूल में. यस. ओके, व्हाट इज द शेप ऑफ दिस डस्टर? क्या शेप है इसका? लग रहा है कि इसी की तरीके से, लेकिन थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है ना. ओके, दिस इज अ क्यूबॉइड. किस शेप का होता है? इट्स क्यूबॉइडिकल. ओके, दिस शेप इज नोन एज क्यूबॉइडिकल शेप. ओके, सो डू यू नो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस क्यूब एंड क्यूबॉइडिकल शेप? क्यूब और क्यूबॉइड शेप में क्या डिफरेंस होता है? द डिफरेंस इज दैट कि इसके जो फेसेस हैं वो कैसे होते हैं? स्क्वायर शेप. और इसके जो फेसेस हैं वो कैसे होते हैं? दे आर रेक्टेंगुलर. ओके, फाइन. लेट्स काउंट द नंबर ऑफ फेसेस. ओके, 1, 2, अप डाउन, 1, 2. ओके, front 3, 4, right 5 and left 6. So how many faces are there in cuboid? 6 faces. Okay, let's count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many faces? 6 faces. Okay, and what is the shape of each face? This is rectangle. Next, let's count vertices, or we can say corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many corners? 8 corners, or you can say 8 vertices. Let's count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and last let's we count edges. Okay, these are the edges. Can you see these lines? These lines, yes, these are the edges. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then let's count here at the bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now these vertical lines 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. So how many edges are here? 12 edges. How many faces? 6 faces. And how many vertices? 8 vertices. You can also take the example of your notebook. आप अपनी notebook की भी example ले सकते हैं. You can take the example of your book. Okay. What is this? Yes, ball. Do you know what is the shape of the ball? Ball का shape क्या होता है? It's a sphere. What is it known as? A sphere. Yes, so a sphere has only one face. Sphere का सिर्फ एक face होता है, and that is it's all round. पूरा round होता है. Okay. It has one curved face. This face is known as curved face. इसकी कोई edges नहीं होती, कोई vertex नहीं होता. So this shape is known as a sphere. It has only one face and that face is known as curved face. इसे क्या बोलते हैं? Curved face बोलते हैं. इसकी कोई edges नहीं होती, कोई vertex नहीं होती. Okay? Oh, what is this? Birthday cap. Yes. Do you know what is the shape of birthday cap? It is cone. What is the shape? Cone. Okay? It has two faces. इसके दो faces होते हैं. One is a flat circular face. Can you see this flat circular face? One face is flat circular face and other is a curved face. This face is known as curved face. So how many faces it has? It has two faces. One is flat circular face and one is curved face. Okay? Can you see any vertex in this cone? Yes. This is known as vertex. We will not say vertices. हम vertices नहीं बोलेंगे. Vertices we use in plural जब बहुत सारी होती है, means more than one. So this is one only ना. So what we will say? We will say vertex. So it has one vertex and it also has one curved edge. इसके पास एक curved edge भी होती है, right? It has one vertex and one curved edge. Okay, so let's recall about cone. What we have learned, it has two faces. One is flat circular face and other is curved face. Okay, one is flat circular face and other is curved face. It has one vertex. इसके पास एक vertex होती है and it has one circular edge. It has one circular edge. You can see the picture of a cone. You can see this is vertex, this is curved face and this is flat circular face and this is curved edge. Okay. What is this, student? This is a pencil. Do you know what is the shape of pencil? It is cylinder. Okay. Now how many faces does a cylinder have? Cylinder के कितने faces होते हैं? One is this curved face. Two, this flat face, and three, again it's a flat face. Okay, so a cylinder has three faces. One is a curved face and two circular flat faces. You can see the shape of the face is circular. क्या shape है इस face का? Circle. So this is a circular face. Again this is also circle. So this is also a circular face. Okay, and it has two curved circular edges. इसकी दो curved circular edges होती हैं, right? Can see one is this curved circular edge and other is this curved circular edge. Okay, this is a curved circular face and this is a edge. Again this is also a curved circular face and this is an edge. इसको edge बोलते हैं. Okay, so this was all about geometrical shapes. We have learned about plane shapes and solid shapes.